HPAC Chapter 3.1 Mouse Overview. Once you connect a mouse to your PC that is supported by HP Accessory Center or HPAC, it will download automatically. You can check on the download status of HPAC from the Downloads and Updates page in the Microsoft Store. Note: if the app does not automatically download, you can search for HP Accessory Center in your App Store to download it manually. The first time HPAC is opened after connecting the mouse, you will see a series of setup prompts to guide you through highlighted features. Review the slides and click Done when ready to advance. The configuration page of your mouse product showcases the product name and connection status. You may also find the shortened device name listed in the left-hand side menu, such as Ergonomic Mouse or 9020-9025 Mouse, to indicate which device you are about to configure through HPAC. On the top of the mouse configuration page, several page options are listed: Button Assignment, Sensitivity, and Manage Connections. There is an array of features under each page option for you to customize button settings, sensitivity, as well as extra mouse functions to cater to preferred use cases. To learn more about each feature, you can click on the information icon next to a function anytime you want to find out more about that specific feature. You can click on the Edit button next to the device name to rename it for better management. The connection status is on the right-hand side of the window. If the mouse is not connected, it will show Disconnected. Otherwise, it will show Connected along with a green icon. The remaining battery power will also be displayed. At the bottom of the mouse configuration page, click the Reset to Default button to reset the functions back to the original default settings. Select Information in the bottom right to get a pop-up of the product information, such as the model's name and firmware version. Select Tutorial to view the setup prompts that were shown during the initial setup process. Select Manual to open an online version of the Quick Start poster included with the mouse. Find more helpful videos on our HP Support YouTube channel.